Hey guys, I want to show you the Little Pudding Cub that I got from Bitterberg because even though it's National Hug Day, so last time it was National Teddy Bear Day, so today it is the National Hug Day. So you get free bears for $5.50 each. So what I got it is the Little Pudding Cub. See that? It has white fur on it. It also has a brown nose on it, brown eyes. And also on the side, it is this BAB on it. So, yeah, there it is. It's BAB on it. And also on the feet, it has light brown. So, they have light browns on the feet. And also, pretty nice color for the white fur for the Little Pudding Cub. So, yeah. And also I got this shirt that says "You had me at pizza." There's a pizza shaped heart. That's so awesome. It has bears, bear pepperonis on it, cheese, mushrooms. So yeah. So got this red one with the "You had me at pizza" with a heart-shaped pizza with bear pepperonis, mushrooms. So yeah. Anyway, that is my Little Pudding Cub with this shirt that I got from Beta Bear, and also it came with a birth certificate. She's born on January 20th, 2019. Her full name is Chloe. Height is 15 inches. Weight is 7 ounces. Eye color is brown. Fur color is light brown. And belongs to me. So yeah. So it has the light brown fur. So that's so awesome. So anyway, that is my Little Pudding Cub. The $5.50 bear that I got from Bird Bear because even though it's National Hug Day. So yeah. But let me know in the comments down below if you went to Bird Bear for National Hug Day. Just let me know in the comments down below. It goes into the 21st. So yeah. But anyway, that is my Little Pudding Cub that I got from Bird Bear. So thanks for watching. Peace. Bye bye.